Welcome to the Cottack Workshop. I have glued myself to this workbench in I haven't really. Hello. It's early November 2021 and it's the time of the COP26 climate conference that's happening right now in Glasgow. And so I thought this time round the Cottack Workshop would do a little video on climate and climate action and a little project that we've had running here in the community that I live in. I hope you enjoy. As always, if you like these videos, please hit the little like thumbs up and even better, subscribe. Thanks very much. Enjoy. This is Newborough Village Hall that recently benefited from being re-insulated, having LED lighting put in and ground source heat pumps. All of this funding raised through donations and through the community and grants. Here are the heat pumps. Out of this came the Action for Climate and Environment, or ACE, Newborough. And so far this group has organised talks on the nature reserve, saving the world one worm at a time from Newborough worms, carpooling. We worked with the council on planting trees, we looked at the tiny forest and wee forest schemes, explored cycle and walking paths, and planning for a repair cafe in January. And also distributed dozens of morse bags, or tote bags. These tote bags needed a stand, a totem pole. Welcome to the Cottack Workshop at Newborough Beach. Here we've got quite a nice piece of driftwood that we are going to make into a tote bag stand. That is, once we get it back to the workshop. So here's the idea. This piece of wood is rotting on the beach and releasing the trapped carbon, so why not make something out of it and do something useful? So we brought it back, pressure washed it, cleaned it up and sealed it. So you can see the natural beauty of the wood. And what we needed was some pegs to go into this totem pole in order to hang the bags on it. So here we're going to hand turn some spalted beech. We start with a roughing tool just to take off the square edges, and then we run the tool along the top to see if it's bumpy, and then in a different tool that makes a smoother cut. And then finally a shaping tool to make that clothes peg or to make that peg shape. So you can see the spalting. This was literally a piece of firewood that would have been burnt and released its carbon. Now we're going to keep it and make it into something useful. You can see the spalting effect on there, and here's a number of them made, and then holes drilled into the pole, and some more firewood recovered and used to make a sign for where we could put a label in. And then finally, with the tote bags that have been made from recovered curtain material and other scraps, and this is then displayed in our local shop where people could take a bag rather than buying a plastic one. So big thanks to Premier Mitchells for hosting the totem, and to Willow Cottage for donating the fabric and making the bags. A real community effort.